Hello and welcome to Hondo Garage. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the Buzzkill vibration damper on the Hondo Garage Enduro mount. Start by attaching the Buzzkill top plate to the perfect squeeze. Apply a small amount of blue thread locker to the two pre-installed screws. Tighten with a 3/32 Allen key. The Enduro mount supports mounting in portrait or landscape orientation. Make sure the holes in the plate are aligned with the rubber nubs on the damper. Apply a small amount of soapy water to the plate. This reduces friction during installation. If pressing the plates together by hand is too difficult, the installation tool and center screw can be used to pull the two plates together and force the damper into position. Start by placing the installation tool onto the plate. Then insert the center screw through the hole in the installation tool. While applying slight pressure, turn the screw until it stops. The plates should be almost touching. Remove both the screw and the installation tool. Check that all damper nubs are fully seated in the holes. You can gently shift the plate to confirm proper alignment. Apply blue thread locker to the center screw and reinstall until it stops and is snug. Slide the perfect squeeze assembly into the handlebar clamp. Apply blue thread locker to the 4/2-inch screws and tighten with a 3/32 Allen key. Remove the 4 top clamp bolts in the OEM top clamp. Reuse the OEM top clamp bolts to fasten the Enduro mount around the bars. Tighten all 4 top clamp bolts to factory specifications. And that's it, the installation is complete.